Hi everyone, today we're checking out the FlyingJoy Lightweight Underarm Crutches designed for teens and adults. These crutches adjust easily to fit heights from 4 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 6 inches, providing a custom fit for better support. Made from durable yet lightweight aluminum, they can hold up to 300 pounds without adding extra weight. The thick underarm pads and hand grips are made from soft TRP material, ensuring comfort during extended use. With TPR non-slip foot pads, these crutches offer excellent traction on smooth or rough surfaces for safer walking. They are also simple to assemble and disassemble, making them convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether recovering from an injury or needing extra support, these crutches help you move with less strain and more confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.